A new and global industry has taken off, the industry of asset tokenization. Welcome to the Tokenizer, the leading global data, information and news platform, dedicated solely to asset tokenization. The industry of asset tokenization has set out to revolutionize financial investment by representing a wide range of asset types through pieces of computer code called tokens. Shares, bonds, derivatives, intellectual rights, and all kinds of more or less illiquid real-world assets can be represented by security tokens on a blockchain. Experts predict that we are moving towards tokenization of everything. Think about it. In the future, any asset in the world could, in principle, be represented by tokens and bought and sold peer-to-peer or via security token exchanges and trading platforms. Often relatively illiquid assets like real estate could be much more liquid. Tokenization could help thousands of companies raise new capital, and the entire investment industry could see groundbreaking democratization and inclusion of retail investors. These tokens offer ownership rights, increased liquidity, and instant settlement through trading on global security token exchanges, and they provide new democratization of investments by enabling easier fractionalization of assets, also allowing for smaller retail investors to participate. The asset tokenization industry has the potential to become a €1 trillion business, but it's still in its infancy, and that's where the Tokenizer comes into the picture.
What we want to do is to bridge the gap between the traditional world of finance and investment and the new world of asset tokenization. To reach our goals, we are currently expanding our platform and developing a range of software tools that will enable us to collect, analyze, distribute, and communicate a wealth of data to the benefit of the users of the Tokenizer.
The first 4 services to be launched are the Reg Radar, enabling industry players to obtain a complete real-time overview of the global regulatory environment of asset tokenization. The STO Management Tool, offering all token issuers a customized STO project plan. The Token Alert Service provides data on all security token transactions globally, helping you invest and trade smarter. The Tokenizer Pro, supporting the pro traders and large investors with API-based data on everything they need to master the security token space.
I've been working with financial technology for the past 20 years, and I've never seen anything as fascinating and exciting as the new industry of asset tokenization. To play a role in the development of this new industry is truly a privilege.
So for several years, all you heard about blockchain was about the technology, what the technology could do, but very little about the business that it could bring. And I think tokenization is going to be a huge application on the blockchain in the coming years. And this is where the Tokenizer will have an amazing role to play, because we're going to put all the tokenization activities in the world together in one platform.
A large number of global experts agree that the asset tokenization industry will grow immensely in the coming years. Jonathan Larson, Chief Innovation Officer of Ping An Group, says, "Tokenization is a really massive trend. That's a much bigger story than cryptocurrencies, initial coin offerings, and even blockchain." Paul Maley, MD Corporate Banking UK, Deutsche Bank, says, "Over the next decade, tokenization is expected to move more into the mainstream, and some analysts predict the market could grow to $24 trillion in certain scenarios."
Tokenization is going to be huge, and the Tokenizer is ready to play a key role in this fascinating development.
The Tokenizer was launched in spring 2019, and already in 2020, we were awarded Best Digital Asset Media. In the years to come, we will be in the front line supporting all the players of our new industry.